Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the stunning 2025 Jawa 42 Bobber, a motorcycle that blends retro aesthetics with modern engineering. If you're a fan of classic bobber styling combined with Jawa's iconic craftsmanship, this bike might just be your next ride. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 Jawa 42 Bobber stand out. Starting with the design, the 42 Bobber retains its signature old-school charm while incorporating subtle refinements for 2025. The bike features a sculpted fuel tank with elegant pinstriping, a floating single-seat setup, and wide handlebars that enhance its aggressive stance. The blacked-out engine and exhaust give it a rugged appeal, while chrome accents add a touch of sophistication. Jawa has also introduced new color options this year, offering riders more choices to match their style. Moving on to performance, the 2025 Jawa 42 Bobber is powered by a refined 334cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. This engine delivers an impressive balance of power and efficiency, producing around 29.5 horsepower and 32.7 Nm of torque. The fuel injection system ensures smooth throttle response, making city commutes and highway cruising equally enjoyable. The engine is mated to a 6-speed gearbox with a slipper clutch, providing effortless gear shifts and reducing wheel hop during aggressive downshifting. The improved exhaust tuning also enhances the signature Jawa exhaust note, giving riders that deep, throaty rumble. The bike's chassis is designed to offer a comfortable and stable ride. The low-slung frame, combined with a 750mm seat height, ensures an accessible riding position for a wide range of riders. The front suspension features telescopic forks, while the rear comes with a mono-shock setup, offering a balanced mix of comfort and sporty handling. The wide rear tire not only improves stability but also enhances the bike's overall aesthetic appeal. Jawa has also focused on improving braking performance. The 2025 model comes equipped with a 280mm front disc and a 240mm rear disc, both paired with dual-channel ABS. This ensures reliable stopping power in various riding conditions. The refined braking system enhances rider confidence, whether you're navigating through city traffic or carving through twisty roads. Technology-wise, the Jawa 42 Bobber keeps things minimal yet functional. The updated digital instrument cluster now displays additional ride information, including gear position and real-time fuel efficiency. The LED lighting system ensures better visibility at night, with the round headlamp adding to its vintage charm. While the bike doesn't come with advanced electronics like ride modes or traction control, it stays true to the classic Bobber experience with a raw and engaging ride feel. When it comes to comfort, the Jawa 42 Bobber's ergonomics are well thought out. The forward-set footpegs and slightly pulled-back handlebars create a relaxed riding posture. The floating seat, while stylish, is also designed with a focus on cushioning, making long rides more enjoyable. The bike's fuel tank capacity of 14 liters allows for decent range, making it suitable for weekend rides and short touring trips. Jawa has priced the 2025 42 Bobber competitively, making it an attractive option for riders looking for a stylish, performance-oriented bobber without breaking the bank. With its combination of classic looks, modern engineering, and a refined ride experience, the new Jawa 42 Bobber is set to turn heads on the road. That's all for today's review. Let me know your thoughts on the 2025 Jawa 42 Bobber in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth motorcycle reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.